जब आप छोटे होते हो ना तो आप सिर्फ ग्लोरीफाइड लव देखते हो जो आपने टीवी में देखा होता है, शाहरुख खान एंड जूही चावला एंड थिंग्स लाइक दोस। हमारे एज में तो वही होते थे, बट वी हैड अ मैसिव फाइट एंड मैसिव फाइट में काफ़ी मतलब ब्रोकर को मैंने बोला कि मुझे घर चाहिए। ही सेड मैम आपके हस्बैंड क्या करते हैं? आई सेड हस्बैंड तो है नहीं। आई सेड नो आई एम मैरिड बट आई एम सेपरेटेड। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग ही सेड कि मैम मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, मुझे लगता नहीं आपको घर मिलेगा।
All right, welcome to a brand new episode on Incompletely Yours Season 2. Journeys of people जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको रियल लाइफ से मिलवा देते हैं। आज के टाइम में आई रियलाइज देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल। वन, जो सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत सारी बातें कर रहे हैं। कई तो ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने भी शादी भी नहीं देखी पर उनके पास डिवोर्सेस के लिए बहुत बड़े बड़े सजेशंस हैं। एंड देन देयर आर पीपल हु मेक श्योर कि क्योंकि एक डार्क स्पेस हम देख चुके हैं, a lot of people would want you to not go through that route. इसीलिए ये एक इमोशनल सेफ स्पेस जिसकी कमी थी शायद जब मैं कोर्ट में थी, इसलिए मैंने ये जगह बनाई। एंड देयर आर पीपल हु आर जॉइनिंग इन बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो नो दैट एवरीबडी नीड्स अ इमोशनल सपोर्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे। तो अगर आपकी जर्नी चल रही है या आप किसी और को जानते हो जिसका डिवोर्स चल रहा है, दिस इज फॉर यू एंड यू शुड हियर इट। मेरे साथ आज मेरी गेस्ट, आई थिंक वी बीन कनेक्टेड फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम ऑन सोशल मीडिया, लेकिन फॉर समथिंग एल्स। शी रन्स अ ब्रांड जिसके ऊपर मैं बाद में आऊंगी। पर निहारिका सेठी इज राइट हियर विद मी। निहारिका, वेलकम।
Thank you so much, Divya. Thank you so much for having me today.
एंड जैसे कि मैं व्हेन वी मेट एंड आई टोल्ड यू, कई बार क्या होता है क्योंकि आपकी ब्रांड को फॉलो कर रही हूँ, आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ मॉडल्स, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स वेयरिंग सम रियली नाइस क्लोथ्स। सो तिलोरी इनका ब्रांड है जिसके ऊपर उसके बर्थ पे मैं बाद में आना चाहूँगी, बट उसमें सब कुछ अच्छा दिखता है। बट आई कुड नेवर फाइंड यू कि मुझे निहारिका कहाँ दिखेगी। बट निहारिका इज राइट हियर टॉकिंग टू यू, टॉकिंग टू मी एंड ऑन द पॉडकास्ट। तो शुक्रिया फॉर कमिंग इन सबसे पहले।
Totally my pleasure. हम लोग सारा बैक एंड संभाल रहे होते हैं एंड फ्रंट में सिर्फ मॉडल्स को करने देते हैं काम।
But Niharika, the podcast is about our journeys that we've seen. Today, the woman sitting in front of me, somebody who runs a business, works with artisans, और आपका एक, I'm sure this is a confident woman जो मेरे सामने बैठी है। पीछे चलते हैं अगर थोड़ा सा, the Niharika before शादी, the Niharika after शादी।
Okay. So the Niharika before Shadi was, the go-getter, the confident Niharika, and also the innocent Niharika. And I come from Agra. It's a simple small town. And छोटा सा शहर, पढ़ाई भी सारी वहीं करी. And I did my graduation. I did my post-grad from there. And after that, I was working with different organizations. Finally, I got married and then shifted to Noida. So 2012 I shifted to Noida. I got married here. And स्टार्टिंग तो अच्छी होती है, तो कुछ दिन ठीक ठाक थे एंड आफ्टर अ फ्यू वीक्स प्रॉबेबली मुझे पता चल गया था कि दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क।
Was it an arranged marriage?
It was a total arranged marriage and I met him through Shaadi.com and in 3 months we were married. So even on the honeymoon I was hungry and I couldn't tell him back then that okay I need food to eat and
Oh yeah, it's very formal. Oh God, I've seen memes on this. कैसे बोलो? Yes.
yeah, so I was doing that and I was a vegetarian back then and he was a non-vegetarian. I couldn't tell him that I need vegetarian food. We need to really find some good food for ourselves. So that sort of a thing was there. And I started working soon after I got married. And I was shifted from JP Agra to JP Noida. And then I started working. The thing was that I was working from Monday to Saturday. 8 to 8 because Greater Noida जाना है, वापस आना है. So it sort of took a toll because I was really exhausted by the end of the day and Sundays, dinners and lunches, family wale. So after 2-3 months, I was sort of told that, this is just getting too much. Why don't you pick up another job? So I contemplated, wasn't very happy because my first condition was that I would want to continue working after I get married and I'm not going to leave my job. So letting go of a job that was like my dream was very difficult. वो किया and वो करने के बाद I was actually home for about 3 months. I was simply looking for better jobs and better opportunities. पता था कि टीचर ही बनना है अब तो. So उस टाइम पे प्रिंट आउट निकाल, तब रिज्यूमे क्या होते थे, आप ईमेल से इतना नहीं भेजते थे लोगों को. आप जाके you would go and drop it at the gate of different schools. So I took 30 printouts of my resume. And I went to different schools across Noida and I kept, distributing my resumes. So 3 मुझे स्कूल से कॉल आए. पहला was ये नहीं मेंशन करते.
हाँ ठीक है, नोएडा के स्कूल से कॉल आए.
नोएडा के स्कूल से कॉल आए So one of them, when I went to meet the principal, she was like, Niharika, I wanted to meet you not because I want to hire you. So I was like,
Then why?
I was a little confused. Why? She said, your resume is so strong. Why do you want to work in a school? That not that being a teacher is anything bad or something. It's a beautiful, noble career, but you're not meant for this. And when I saw your resume, I was like, I need to meet this woman and tell her that.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Wow.
I was like, okay, so that made me sort of contemplate further. But I was like, no, करना पड़ेगा, शादी बचानी है, शादी चलानी है, करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
So I joined a school. I worked there for 7 years. It was never really meant for teaching, so I was not happy teaching. And so 2019 is when I left. But my reason to leave school was very different. In 2017, as a very secret thing, I had started Tilori with my sister. I did not make it official. Only very, very close friends knew about it. Nobody else.
वो कहते हैं ना वैसे भी शुरू में चीज़ों को बताना भी नहीं चाहिए
हाँ.
जब तक वो नहीं कोई शेप ले लेता.
Right,
Fair.
because I had mentioned in the family that I would want to start my own venture, and I was told that नौकरी तो छोड़नी नहीं है, नौकरी तो आपको करनी है, ये नहीं कर सकते. So I knew कि if I do it, it will not be taken well. So I might as well not share it till the time I'm planning. जब finally कुछ हो जाएगा तो देखेंगे. So in those process of 8-9 years of being married, confidence काफ़ी ज़्यादा break हुआ, and that happy, confident, go-getter sort of a person, वो that
खो जाता
changed
है.
for me. I wasn't that person.
Yeah.
In fact, जब आप उस प्रोसेस में होते हो ना दिव्या, तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि आप कहाँ से कैसे बनते जा रहे हो. It's the others that see you, they tell you that. So one of my colleagues, and she wasn't even a friend.
Yeah.
So she came up to me one day. She said, Niharika, is there something going on in your life? And I looked, I said, no ma'am, nahi, sab badhiya. The same usual smile
Yeah.
that I have.
Yeah.
She's like, nahi, kuch to hai, kya hai? Then I was like quiet. I said, what made you say that? But my question was not that what am I going through, but I wanted to ask her कि आपको पता कैसे चला? She's like, when you used to come in the beginning, there would be kajal on your eyes, you would wear a lipstick. Your hair are also grey. I can see it on your face. You're not bothered. You just look too engrossed and deep inside your problems. So
Yeah.
there is something. So whatever it is, I don't want to know. But उसको solve कर ले तू. ऐसे करके ना वो कह के वो चली गई.
Yeah, there are people who read us, you know.
Exactly.
There are people who read us and you're right कि हमसे बेहतर हमें आसपास के लोग जांच रहे होते हैं.
Right.
और हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा होता कि क्या चेंज हो रहा है.
हाँ.
I see my photographs today 4-5 साल पहले, and I would not say कि कोई और responsible है. I am responsible for it,
Right.
but मैं वो हुई नहीं आज.
Exactly.
I don't identify. I don't even realize कि वो मैं हो सकती हूँ.
Correct.
The way the
correct.
hair was, the way I carried myself, it was a mess. Yeah.
And you don't realize you're doing that.
Yeah.
It's only after you've moved on in life and you look back,
Yeah.
or people around you, they tell you that.
Yeah.
So that's
So a Niharika who had no confidence
absolutely zero confidence back
and
then.
lost, if I can say, was the word. Cut to, when you move out of that house.
Yes.
है ना? It's not easy.
It's very difficult in the beginning.
And your 2 daughters or
2 daughters.
sister?
Yes.
पहली बात तो घर का reaction to you coming back home.
Mhm.
और टैबू है, स्पेशली आपकी शादी तो भी काफ़ी खासा लंबी थी.
Right.
वर यू स्कैर्ड कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि वो तो हम कितना भी कूल बने वो अजीब सा एक घबराहट रहती है. हाउ वाज इट?
So सबसे पहला जो झटका था in terms of the society वो ये था when I was looking for a house for myself. So broker को मैंने बोला कि मुझे घर चाहिए. He said, मैम आपके हस्बैंड क्या करते हैं? I said, हस्बैंड तो है नहीं, मैं ही हूँ. So he said, have you never been married before? I said, no, I'm married, but I'm separated. So the first thing he said कि मैम मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, मुझे लगता नहीं आपको घर मिलेगा.
Really?
So, yeah. 2 हफ्ते उस बंदे ने घर ढूंढा. फिर वो आके मुझे कहता है, मैडम जी मैंने आपको कहा था ना, सिंगल लड़कियाँ ना थोड़ी ट्रबल वाली होती हैं, वो प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आती है, इसलिए आपको घर तो नहीं मिलेगा. सो आई वॉज गिवन अ बैक. ऐसे व्हाट डू वी डू नाउ? सो फाइनली हमने और ट्राई किया. देन इनिशियली झूठ बोला कि हस्बैंड लिव्स अब्रॉड, आई लिव हियर, लेट्स जस्ट गिव मी दिस हाउस नाउ. सो वो इनिशियली तो वो था. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रियलाइज आप कितना भी कह लो कि सोसाइटी बेटर हो गई है, सोसाइटी बढ़ गई है, दैट्स नॉट द केस. मतलब देयर इज़ अ गुड सेक्शन वेर इन दैट मेक्स यू रियलाइज येस you are in the process of separation or divorce, and it's
And you're
not
less.
normal.
And you're less.
Absolutely. A very similar incident happened last year with me. So it was my cousin's wedding. So all the Sohagane had to go and tie something.
Yeah.
Out of that instinct, I moved.
Yeah.
Okay. And मैं से आगे बढ़ी, and then I don't know what sort of stopped me, I
Yeah.
got conscious. I think it wasn't anyone there, but it was me who got conscious. And मैं ऐसे it was very dramatic. Okay, so two
Yeah.
steps आगे and then two steps पीछे.
और ये कोई नहीं समझ सकता है निहारिका.
हाँ.
आई थिंक एंड व्हेन यू वॉच दिस, कोई ड्रामा नहीं है. और ये जिसने जर्नी ली होगी ना, द वुमेन, दे वुड नो कि आप अपने आप ही खुद को रोक लेते हो कि
Right.
मे बी आई नॉट बी राइट.
Right. In fact, in those 8.5 years of being married
Yeah.
and 1.5 years of being separated, literally 10 years. उन 10 years में ना, there were times when I had contemplated should I continue this marriage or not. So it was always my parents that were there at the back of my mind कि वो कैसे हैंडल करेंगे इस चीज़ को, वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. देन एट द सेम टाइम माई एक्स हस्बैंड्स फादर, सो आई डिड नॉट वांट टू ब्रेक हिज हार्ट. लाइक आई वाज वेरी क्लोज टू ऑल दीज थ्री. एंड इन फैक्ट माई मदर इन लॉ was from an average Indian mother-in-law. She was actually very, very good.
नाइस.
So I really wasn't very sure that should I get separated or should I not get separated. Her time वो चलता गया because the family was nice. I could continue. But in terms of being happy with the husband, I wasn't at all.
Yeah.
From day one, like from the first few weeks onwards, I knew that this shall not work. So like every time I had a conversation with my mother, she would be like, "Tu dekh le, do you think you can? Matlab, totally your call, but and I will support you, but tu dekh le." You know, the decision
Really?
was always on me. So she never said कि नहीं करना है या करना है. She said, "तेरा decision है, जो तू लेगी मैं तेरे साथ हूँ." That's what my mother would say, and my father would say the same thing. So one day I got very, we had a massive fight, and massive fight में काफ़ी मतलब, okay, we had a massive fight. So उस massive fight में क्या हुआ कि I called up my mother that day. My mother was in town. She was at my sister's place. I said, "माँ, मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है. I can't do this anymore. I am done."
Yeah.
So, and she had never heard me so with such clarity that I was very clear in what I was trying to tell her. So she said, "नहीं हो रहा." I said, "नहीं." She said, "काम कर, सब कुछ छोड़ और आ जा." I think those words from my mother, which she said कि सब कुछ छोड़ और आ जा, it gave me a different sort of strength that I did not know that I had it in me, and I would be able to sort of just leave. Every time I would think of leaving, I would think कि ये सब मैंने बनाया है घर में, कैसे करूँगी, कैसे होगा, क्या discussions होंगे. I would always be very scared to confront those. But in that moment, I was like, I don't care. I
Yeah.
have to go. I will leave everything right now. I want my peace.
आई थिंक वही वाली बात है, बताए निहारिका. एंड व्हेन यू सेइंग इट, मुझे गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं. रीजन बीइंग, आई रिमेंबर माय पेरेंट्स ओनली सेड कि हंसती हुई चाहिए तू. एंड माई थिंग्स वर नॉट सो बैड, यू नो. एंड हम लोग अभी जब बात भी कर रहे थे, अगर आपके पेरेंट्स, एंड यू नो इफ यू वाचिंग दिस, अगर पेरेंट्स साथ दे दे किसी का भी, बच्चे का, मैन और वुमन, बहुत चीज़ें ईजी हो जाती हैं. आई मीन सोसाइटी का तो काम ही बोलना है, 4 लोगों का, 10 लोगों का.
Correct.
बट इफ योर पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट यू, यूर लाइक यू कैन विन एनीथिंग.
Right.
एंड निहारिका टुडे,
See, there is a slight sort of anger in terms of not just the other person. I'm very angry with myself. A realization that happened to me way too early in the marriage. Why did I have to waste my entire youth on that person?
Yeah.
So it's not his fault, it was my fault. Why did I choose to stay for so long? I could have taken that decision back in 2013 maybe. Why 2021? You know, that
Yeah.
sort of a thing. So that sometimes that guilt comes in, that I'm not very young anymore, and
Yeah.
life has moved on, and so that's one thing that sometimes troubles me. But other than that, I think the Niharika today is not a people pleaser. She is wiser and definitely more patient, and my definition of companionship has changed.
I was about to ask you that. Today, when you look at people, one, would you be able to trust the whole idea of love again? Can you fall in love again? And companionship क्या होती है, जब हम आज रियलाइज करते हैं. लोगों ने तो उसको कोट्स में और मीम्स में और पोस्ट में क्या क्या बना दिया है. बट what is it that you think is companionship?
See, I think I'm open for love. That's one thing. I haven't fallen in love, but I think I'm a little open. I am open for that. But the thing is कि जब आप छोटे होते हो ना, तो आप सिर्फ ग्लोरीफाइड लव देखते हो जो आपने टीवी में देखा होता है, शाहरुख खान एंड जूही चावला एंड थिंग्स लाइक दोस. हमारे एज में तो वही होते थे. बट at this age, you sort of start respecting your journey and the other person's journey also. And
Yes.
you realize that if there are differences in terms of personality, you learn to respect them instead of, changing that person or respecting the journey that you two as a couple take.
Yeah.
So I think Now at this stage, I'm far more uh, open and understanding towards the differences that exist, and also respecting them and respecting myself also, because एक term हम लोगों को क्या सिखाया जाता है ना, as young women, that not really teach we're not taught by mothers, but we definitely know कि शादी कर ली है
Yeah.
अब तो you have to do everything and anything.
Yeah.
And मेरे साथ एक और funny चीज़ क्या थी कि I'm the youngest in my family. My dad is the youngest son of the family, and then I'm the youngest child. So the सबसे छोटा, pampered
Pampered,
बच्चा.
protected child.
Correct.
Yeah.
And when I got married, my ex-husband was the eldest in the family. So
Yeah,
okay,
I get it.
so the roles were very different for me. I tried my level best to sort of adjust into those roles, do as everyone expected, and during that process, I realized I used to sleep around 1:32 in the morning, because 11:30 बात है, सबके साथ बैठे हैं, 2 घंटा अपना चाहिए, I would want to do my work, or I would want to just maybe watch something. I would sleep at 2, then get up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to school, then come back, then take your 2 hours ka
Yeah.
nap, so that you sort of, so बहुत ज़्यादा, I would fall sick very often. I was actually under stress, like proper. Once I moved out, my sleep patterns changed. I mean, I am a typical 12 to 8 person. I will sleep at 12 and wake up at 8 o'clock, and it's very comfortable. I don't fall sick. I mean, touch wood for that. But
Touch wood.
yeah, but I don't fall sick the way I used to. I would have migraines, I would have fever and allergies and this and what not. I mean,
I would just add to this, a lot of people don't understand and believe it कि हमारा nervous system जब एक अनहैप्पी सिचुएशन या रिलेशनशिप में होता है, वो कई बारी आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी, आई हर्ड पीपल शेयरिंग हाउ इन देयर ओन हाउस दे फील दैट, आई मीन होता होगा, बट द थिंग इज कि आपका नर्वस सिस्टम कोलैप्स कर जाता है, आप
Correct.
यू फॉल सिक. आई गॉट थायरॉइड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, एंड आई रियलाइज कि स्ट्रेस कितना हैवी हमें पता ही नहीं था, बट बॉडी नोज इट.
right.
Frequently migraines, frequent cold, frequent immunity going down,
Correct.
and suddenly all of that has come in place.
Exactly. And we don't realize
And
it.
we don't realize it. And that's exactly what I wanted to tell people कि बहुत सारे I have seen life coaches saying that look for light, look for gratitude. सबसे पहले look for the darkness inside, क्योंकि उसको address करना है. If somebody tells you life is beautiful, it is, but you have to make it beautiful. वो dark होती है, चाहे आपका normal breakup भी हुआ है ना किसी relationship में, वो overnight ठीक नहीं होता, बहुत दर्द होता है. तो divorce में उस दर्द को आप और amplify कर लो, उतना होता है. And if somebody tells you no, I'm free, yes, we are free, I'm happier, but there is pain. Financial independence is very important, Niharika. I've seen major difference between people who are able to take that step is अगर support है और अगर आप financially independent. Like in my case, केस लड़ने के लिए पैसा चाहिए, वो खुद की जेब से लगे तो काम कर रहे हो, helps, या parents की support हो. After your divorce and now moving on further, you've also become an entrepreneur, running a very successful brand. ये कैसा रहा है that trajectory, and how has it helped you individually? कैसे growth अपनी देखते हो, as a woman today?
So, तिलोरी का स्टार्ट होना एक्चुअली एक सीक्रेट मिशन टाइप था, सब कुछ एकदम सीक्रेट रखना था, बिकॉज आई ट्राइड पुटिंग अप द आइडिया एट होम दैट आई वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग विद माय सिस्टर, एंड आई वाज क्लियरली टोल्ड कि नौकरी तो नहीं छोड़नी है आपने, एंड दिस वाज स्पेसिफिकली माय एक्स हस्बैंड हु वाज वेरी अगेंस्ट द फैक्ट, एंड आई against the fact that I should actually leave my well-paying job and then get into something that's not very certain. Business है, कल को चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, all of that. So secretly मैंने शुरू किया अपनी sister के साथ. So my sister's into design and everything. So she did her thing. I was into marketing. So I was planning how we can sort of market the brand.
Yeah.
So वो कुछ 1-1.5 साल हमने पूरा, we traveled across, we went to Gujarat, we went to Rajasthan, we went to Bihar, हमने सारी crafts जाके देखी कैसे बनती हैं, आर्टिसंस के साथ अपना पूरा वो रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड किया. उसके बाद in 2009 I resigned from my regular job that I was doing. 2019.
Okay.
So this was like almost 2 years had gone. We had started तिलोरी का एक पेज था Instagram पे, वो सब स्टार्ट हो चुका था, but it was not officially told, and like I had not officially told anyone that I had started other than very, very close friends. So 2019, I was like, now I have to take the plunge, because I need to quit my job and have a studio for this, because I can't work from home. Like my sister was working from her place was the studio. So I can't do this for any time longer. Now this has to stop. So I told home, I said, I've resigned from work. I was not happy there. And next week, I'm going to quit. Like that's going to be my last working day. So of course it came as a shocker, and I did not ask permission. So the concept of permission was really there in the family. So if I would ask something from my partner, he would say, please go take permission from the elders of the house.
Yeah.
If I would ask something from the elders would say, take permission from the son. So when you're in your 30s, you really don't like taking permission. You know, you like informing and of course taking their
Consent, maybe?
consent. Yes.
Yeah.
You want them to be on the same page, and
Yeah.
you're okay adjusting as per them also. But permission is a very
It's a very wrong word and a very
Correct.
wrong notion. Allow कर दिया तुमको.
that's exactly the words. I would be told कि आप देख लो अगर you know he's going to allow you to go to meet a friend. You're like, I'm meeting a girl. Not even I understand there can be notions I'm meeting a
Guy.
and then it would be a problem for the family if you're not comfortable. Meeting a girl and then taking permission, not liking it. So all of that was a little too much sometimes. But all in all, it was okay. In 2019, when I quit my job, I was very happy. I said, "Ab full time Tilori karenge." Tilori has been my safe space. It gave me the confidence that I can build anything from scratch. So even if it meant that I'm going to leave this शादी, start from zero as a person, मैं कर लूँगी. ये मुझे वो
Wow.
confidence उससे आया था. Once you move out, आपके breakdowns weird चीज़ों पे होते हैं. मतलब पाइलॉन ही होता है. I think किसी चीज़ पे हो रहे होते हैं, आप परेशान निकलता है किसी चीज़ पे. So I still
Yes.
remember the first day I was living, I had rented a house. So in that house, 2-3 दिन तो एक दिन एक फ्रेंड रुकी, फिर एक दिन मेरी रियल सिस्टर रुकी, एक दिन फिर फ्रेंड रुकी, ऐसे करके 3 दिन तो इन लोगों ने मेरे साथ ऐसे रुकते रहे. 4th day I was like, यार हो गया, जाओ, let me be in my house. I'm like independent, you know, happy woman, let me be that. So I sent them off. I live in the ground floor. So मैं गई, मुझे लगा अब तो 3 दरवाजे हैं घर के, तो तीनों को लॉक करना है. पहले मैंने लॉक किया, फिर मैंने सारी विंडोज़ देखी. By the time I was on the last door, I had such a terrible breakdown. I realized I was like running my 36th year at that time. I was like, in 36 years, I've never locked a house. I have never done that.
Yeah.
So if I look back at it, it was nothing. It was just locking the house and it did not need a breakdown.
Yeah.
But feeling the fact that this is me, I have to be the adult here and nobody's coming for me, you know,
Yeah.
I have to have my own bag before
Yeah.
anything else. So that was a realization that just hit me terribly that day.
And you know, when you're saying this, I also want people जो देखते हैं वीडियो, and I've realized लोग पूरा वीडियो देखते हैं, which is a very nice thing, क्योंकि जो जर्नी ढूंढ रहा होता है, this is exactly what I've been saying. हर इंटरव्यू में, हर कहानी में छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स आते हैं. इट्स नॉट कुछ बहुत बड़ा ब्लंडर होता है. छोटी चीज़ें आपको कहीं ना कहीं पिंच कर देती हैं, कई बार इतना हैप्पीली ओवरवेलम करती हैं. सो आई हैव मेंशन दिस ऑन द एपिसोड. एक दिन एक बंदे ने मेरे लिए गाड़ी का दरवाज़ा खोला है अभी, यू नो, व्हेन आई मेट हिम, एंड it was a very beautiful feeling. I came back home. The entire night I cried. मैं सिर्फ रोई, क्योंकि मैंने ये इमोशन कभी देखा ही नहीं था
Correct.
कि कोई दरवाज़ा खोल के आपके लिए भी वेट करेगा, that you will go and sit. I had forgotten how to be loved. और मुझे लगता है कि you know, you'd agree,
Yes.
हम इतना सेल्फ रिलायंट हो जाते हैं, हम इतना
Correct.
अपने को देख रहे होते हैं कि बेसिक चीज़ें निकल जाती हैं.
Correct.
सो थिंग्स लाइक अकेले घर पे रहना, दरवाज़ा बंद करना,
Right.
ये हर चीज़ इमोशन बन जाती है.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh man, this is so emotional. तिलोरी का मतलब क्या है? The brand that you're.
So Tilori means to belong, and so because we are cotton based, so हमारा एक concept था that we belong to cotton. And,
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so to belong to cotton is what Tilori means. And initially we had another name, but then we shifted to Tilori in 2019 again, and it's been a very beautiful journey. I think not just in terms of the business, but I've also met some really amazing people in my journey, and we are a sustainable cotton fashion brand. So what happens is that we are also into upcycling different things. So upcycle करते करते क्या हुआ that we started connecting to NGOs. We started teaching them also कि आप ये कर लो, आप ये कर लो. So ना एक बड़ा interesting सा एक journey सी बन गई जहाँ पे there are a lot of NGOs that are attached to us. We go train them. We have these small kits. And we give them those kits. उससे स्टिचिंग सिखाते हैं, उससे थोड़ी सी उनको एम्ब्रॉयडरी सिखाते हैं. इफ समबडी इज डूइंग रियली वेल, उसको हम हायर भी कर लेते हैं कि आप आ जाओ, यू नो, ज्वाइन कर लो हमको. एंड अदर देन दैट आई हैव मेट women who've been thinking of, you know, running something, and they've not like making a brand for themselves or working on a project. वो plunge नहीं ले पाते. That is something that I have noticed for a lot of women. वो अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुछ भी कर लेंगे, अपने लिए करने में उनकी सारी हिम्मत गायब हो जाती है. और क्यों होता है पता नहीं.
Just like us.
हाँ.
अपने लिए बोलते वक्त हमें भी बहुत टाइम लगा है, दुनिया के लिए बोल लेंगे, लड़ लेंगे, किसी और की लड़ाई है,
हाँ.
आई विल शेक द वर्ल्ड. The
Correct.
moment it comes to you, ये भी नहीं बोल पाते कि यार थोड़ा तकलीफ हो रही है.
Correct.
I don't know why.
Right. Exactly. I think most women are made like that.
Yeah.
So that is what it is. So I've met a lot of clients who were once clients, and then they said, they shared their ideas. So I sort of tried helping them. Now, few of them are like proper brands that they're running, and different products and
Nice.
everything. So there have been different versions, in the sense that segments rather, where we are not just doing a business, we're stitching, we're selling. Then the artisans are involved and making. We've always been very, my sister and I, my mother, we've been very into crafts, like proper craft lovers, and हमेशा cotton ही पहनना है, सर्दी है तो the कपड़ा that touches the skin should be cotton, like that. So उसके बाद फिर हमें लगा कि अगर natural dyes है तो how do we tell the people? So we started telling people, we started making silhouettes. We were the first ones to make such complicated Western silhouettes in desi Indian fabrics.
Wow.
Yeah. So nobody would make them. We make business suits, and some brands have recently launched, like a year or two back. We've been making them since 2017. So तब से बना ही रहे हैं हम लोग बैठ के कि इंडिगो हो गया, अजरक हो गया, मधुबनी में we have a whole anarkali, that was made. So I made it for somebody, and she wears all designer clothes. So she came back to me, she said, Niharika, had I got this from a designer, this would have costed me like 2 lakhs. आपने 26,000 में मुझे दे दिया.
Wow.
So that's the most expensive product. All my products are like range around 2,500, 3K, but that's very different.
Yeah. They're women artisans you work with, and they're overall artisans.
Right.
Okay? You're traveling to different parts of the country.
Correct.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो शायद वीडियो देखे, जो हिम्मत करके कुछ करना चाहती हैं अपने लिए, है ना? You तो started when you were not even sure कि कुछ होगा कि नहीं होगा. आपने तो secret mission ही बना दिया, which I think is fantastic. A lot of women don't get that courage. Idea भी होगा, talent भी होगा. If you could talk to them today, and I'm sure आप बहुत लोगों से बात करते हो, आपने TED Talk दिया है, what would you tell them? इस डर को कैसे ओवरकम करें कि मैंने कुछ किया और वो नहीं चला तो? ऑलरेडी प्रेशर है कि भैया लड़की कुछ शुरू कर रही है, नहीं चला तो?
ओके, सो हमेशा ना मैं एक चीज़ को बोलती हूँ कि आप इनोसेंटली कुछ करते हो ना तो आप कर ले जाते हो. आप जितना ओवर थिंक करोगे आप उस प्रॉब्लम को उतना बड़ा बना लोगे, वो शायद प्रॉब्लम ही ना हो. एंड व्हेन यू लुक एट अ प्रॉब्लम, if it's a small problem or a big problem, divide it into segments. Look at a problem as a fragment, deal with it, move on. Then move to the other problem. Then धीरे धीरे करके उसमें देखो. जब तिलोरी शुरू किया था, अगर मैं ये सोचती कि how are we going to expand one day, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाती. We started with the thought that अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स लेंगे, उन्हीं को सेल करेंगे. That was the first step. वो किया. Then second step was चलो let's stitch. Third step, what sort of silhouettes are we stitching? So the entire brand building was divided into fragments, and we were just looking at one fragment at a time and not really the entire thing. So like today we're there on 2 multi-brand stores in Bangalore and Trivandrum. But back in 2017, I had not imagined that. That was not a problem. So don't overthink your problems, because once you overthink, at least that happens with me, I get so overwhelmed और मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ उसके बाद. जब मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सोचती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है हाँ, I think this much I can manage, कर लूँगी जैसे तैसे.
Overthinking is a problem with the world anyway.
Yeah, so never overthink. And take help. As women, we want to do everything. We want to take care of family, we want to go out, we want to meet friends, take care of business, everything all at the same time. Outsource your work. I mean, that's one thing, because balance तभी हो सकता है when you sort of seek help. If you love cooking, cook, not a problem. But if you like writing, then hire somebody to cook for you so that you can write.
Nice.
Do that. Don't. My only thing is that when we try and do everything, we end up not doing anything at all. And especially the first person we ignore is always ourselves as women. So that's one thing we really have to kind of take care of. We owe it to us.
Yeah, everybody teaches us how to be that perfect daughter and daughter-in-law and sister, but nobody teaches us कि पहला प्यार खुद को करना जरूरी है. And we keep ignoring ourselves till one day भगवान जी gives you like that झटका कि भाई तुम भी important हो.
Correct.
This question might be like out of syllabus, but I'll try to ask it क्योंकि I've had a very personal experience. You just mentioned about making a bridal lehenga for a friend, for somebody, na? Does moments like these hit? वो पुरानी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं आती हैं when you go to marriages today. Like I still am not comfortable going to marriages. मुझे 2 साल हो गए डिवोर्स को. मेरे को शादी पे जाने पे बहुत हिम्मत लगती है. I think the only marriage that I've been to is my own sister's. क्योंकि वहाँ मेरे को बहुत काम करना था. But making a bridal lehenga और गोइंग टू मैरिजेस, ये मोमेंट्स वापस खुरेदता है?
Somehow दिव्या मुझे इतना हुआ नहीं उन चीज़ों से, because somehow what happened was when I moved out, uh, I was very, very well received in terms of my inner circle, precisely inner circle, because for good 2 years, nobody knew about that, about me, that I was separated. I was filing for a divorce and all of that. In fact, जिस दिन मेरा divorce हुआ है, उस दिन I was attending a cousin's wedding,
Wow.
in the family,
Wow.
and nobody knew about it. So of course I couldn't be sad. So I had to put up a facade, because that day was it broke my heart. You know, it was very difficult that day. That was the first time it was difficult. But that day I realized, I still remember, I had come back from the court. I was looking at myself in the mirror because getting ready, and tears are rolling down while I'm getting ready. And that day I was looking at myself. I said, what has changed? I looked at myself one more time. I said, I was this yesterday when I was apparently separated. 2 years back when I was married, I still looked the same.
Yeah.
I will not let this define me. I will not let this affect me. So that day I was affected for sure. After that, I was like, no. Whether I'm married, whether I'm separated or divorced, I will not let that get onto my head and make me feel anything different from what it is. So that somehow, it just changed for me. How, I don't know. But
I think that is what superpowers are. Sometimes you don't know कैसे. मैंने नया मंत्रा निकाला, it might work for you, but it is working for me. So there are moments when I hit a low and I take a deep breath. It is working for me. मुझे ये एक बहुत ही महान सज्जन ने हाल ही में बताया. So I close my eyes and I say courage in, fear out, courage in, fear out, courage in, fear out. 8-10 times I just repeat in my head, sometimes aloud, it goes off.
wow.
It's more like a reminder कि okay, get back on track. You're
Right.
going somewhere else. हम बात भी कर रहे थे, आई एम डिवोर्स बोलना आज भी. कल ही मुझे लंच पे किसी ने पूछा आर यू मैरिड, एंड आई वाज लाइक नो आई एम डिवोर्स्ड. एंड देन आई वाज अनईजी. आई वाज लाइक डूड, मैं पूरा सीजन कर चुकी हूँ और मैं अभी भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ इन जस्ट सेइंग इट विद अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई. इट्स
Right.
स्टिल बोल के ना आप यू लाइक एंड यू डोंट वांट टू हियर कि अब वो क्या पूछेगा इंसान. बट कभी वो मोमेंट आते हैं अभी भी?
आते हैं, डेफिनेटली आते हैं. इनफैक्ट आपसे ज़्यादा सामने वाला बंदा भी ऑकवर्ड हो जाता है, एंड देन दे डोंट नो, दे विल से आई एम सॉरी, एंड विल बी लाइक नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड देम डोंट बी सॉरी, आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम डिवोर्स, इट्स ओके.
Yeah.
So that sort of feeling, but it's never, especially the people you're meeting for the first time, I'm not very comfortable instantly telling them. So I'll probably tell them I'm divorced, and then I look here and there because I don't want to sort of look into their eyes and talk to them about it,
Yeah.
or answer any further questions if they have. And so that still is awkward,
Yeah.
without a doubt.
It is still awkward. I realized it last afternoon that, like in year of doing this, I'm still not as confident. और लोग ये नहीं समझेंगे कि कितना difficult है ये. कितना कुछ करके भी, if I feel it, which means that the society really has done something to us. I mean, it needs to change. Any fear today?
So one of the biggest, I won't call it fear, but yes, one of the most difficult things for me was to come here and speak today. I have not spoken about it. All my talks and everything that I've given, I've never spoken about my marital status and whether I'm married or anything, nothing of that sort. So coming here and talking about the journey, I mean, you gave me that strength. I could not have done it otherwise.
You'll feel so light after this.
Yes.
मुझे नहीं पता लोग देख के कितना करेंगे, but मुझे ये पता है कि इस couch पे आके बहुत सारे लोगों ने, and I know it for a fact because even I felt it. You feel very light.
Correct.
It needs to get out of the system.
Right.
We're normal human beings. It happened, it didn't happen. हम जो कर रहे हैं आप वो देखो. She's a fantastic entrepreneur, working with the best of the artists, working on the best of fabrics. मधुबनी कुर्ता बनवाऊंगी मैं इनसे बहुत जल्दी. But okay, one thing that traveling and working with artists and working in villages, in all these corners, आपने क्या सीखा है? And as a woman, if I ask you, अपनी जर्नी देखते हुए पिछले कई सालों में, एक चीज़ जो आपने सीखी है इस पूरे प्रोसेस से, ट्रैवल से, लोगों से मिलके?
That is to believe in yourself, and that you can build anything that you want. If you put your heart and mind and soul to something, आप कुछ भी कर लो, वो चीज़ आप अच्छे से सक्सेसफुली उसको आप कंप्लीट ही करोगे. मतलब it's a journey. I mean, being an entrepreneur is a journey every single day. जैसे आज अगर मैंने कोई चीज़ कंप्लीट कर ली है, मुझे पता है कि कल मुझे कुछ और करना है, परसों मुझे कुछ और करना है. अगर कल मैं लाइक आई वाज शेयरिंग कि कल अगर मैंने एक टास्क पूरा प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किया, मैंने एक स्टोर पर इफ आई एम देयर इन बैंगलोर, देन आई वुड वांट विच सिटी नाउ, सो इट्स ट्रिवेंड्रम. देन आई एम थिंकिंग विच सिटी नाउ, सो अब देयर इज अनदर सिटी इन द पाइपलाइन. सो देयर आर आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग ऑफ ग्रोइंग, एंड I'm so involved. It just makes me, it gives me a very happy space to keep growing in one direction. So having a business of your own and thinking, believing in yourself that if you really try, you can do it. And in fact, this really comes back to the same point that अगर entrepreneur आप या कुछ भी करना चाहते हो लाइफ में, for that matter if you want to write a book also, कर लो, ज़्यादा मत सोचो, शुरू करो, and then it's right that even the beginning is half done. आपकी जो हिम्मत फिर शुरू हो जाती है ना, वो अलग होती है.
सही बात है. लास्ट 2 questions because I know we're running out of time. आपकी और आपकी सिस्टर का वेंचर है ये साथ में.
Right.
And we are very similar in certain ways because I think my sister has been my biggest support.
Correct.
I mean, I think वापस पैर खड़े होना और जो भी करी. In fact, to a great extent, making this podcast was also somewhere her thing. You know, court में बैठ के she would just tell me, once you get, and she's 6 years younger to me. She's like, the day we get out of this place, see what you want to do. Because, we felt clueless in the courts.
Right.
She's like, do something for people, do something for yourself. How important was your sister's role? मतलब कितना important रहा है?
सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई थिंक मेरे पेरेंट्स से इम्पॉर्टेंट से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट, मेरे फ्रेंड्स से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट, सबसे बड़ा रोल मेरी सिस्टर का रहा है. बिकॉज शी हैज़ लिटरली सीन मी गोइंग थ्रू इट from 0 to 100. Everything she's seen. Days when I've cried, days when I've felt really good. And, I would go to work, she would see my swollen eyes and she'd be like, ek kaam kar, tu ghar ja. To maybe just go meet a friend, go out for coffee. Do you want to spend some time with yourself? Just grab a book and go. No. She would keep telling me. So she's seen the things that I've told her. She's seen the things that I've not told, heard the things that I've not told her about. She's read so much between the lines. And indirectly, she's really brought me to a point in life wherein my health is better. Even a basic thing like, eating sprouts every day. She'll not force me to do it, but she'll make sure she makes it for me and gets it to work. Ki ab tu ye kha le.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. So it's little things have sort of improved, and there are times when she will feel that I'm going off the wagon. She'll like quietly tell me, "Acha tu ye dekh na, tu aise kar le," and gussa bhi, of course. She's 7 years older, so she gets angry also, and but being the biggest supporter. I mean, if I'm here today, be it Tilori, be it my personal life, be it who I am as a person, I think the biggest thing I owe to, if I owe it to somebody, it's her. There is no doubt about it. From every single thing is, what she has sort of supported me in.
When I was interviewing you and I knew that you'll come on the show, मैंने यही सोचा था, I'm going to make this show is a dedication to my own sister, because if you have a sister, the world cannot do anything to you. आप इतने protected होते हो कि वो खींच लेंगे आपको. Your parents also sometimes वो रुक जाते हैं कि है बच्चे को space दे दो, है क्या करना है. Parents don't know it. Something. आपकी बहन आपको अंदर से खदेड़ के खींच के बाहर ले आती है. और ये that is only what sisters can do. Because you mentioned about overthinking, and because this whole thing is about mind at the end of the day. When you were mentally low back then, I don't know कितना mental health पे खुल के बात होती थी उस time पे, या अब तो फिर भी लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Things that you've done for yourself, जो शायद दूसरे लोग भी कर सकें. Maybe if you don't know what to do, नींद नहीं आना, initially you're like lost.
Right. Totally.
क्या किया उस time पे, या क्या करते हो अब भी, if you go off the balance sometimes?
So I have always been into meditation. So, chanting, meditation, all of that has been really, really helpful. When I had just gotten separate, the पैसे नहीं थे therapy के लिए. मन कर रहा था कि चली जाऊँ, but shelling out about 8K a month was not my thing. I could not have done that. It is expensive. So I decided not to, and I've tried finding other ways to do it. So of course, having friends around. So I have, thankfully, where I live in the same society, I've got 2 of my closest friends living in the same society. So it's a big, big blessing. So I also noticed, I had a very irritating pattern of talking. I would repeat my things. आज बात की, कल भी same बात करी, परसों भी. So sometimes when I look back, I feel more than me, I think I was troubling their mental health more than mine, That I gave them a tough time. And patiently they would listen to me. My sister would listen to me. Then I would say, talk to another friend. All of that happened, but my saving grace during that time was talking to friends and meditating and listening to music. I mean, even today that happens. If I suppose wake up in the morning at 4 and I don't want to wake up then, I want to sleep further, I'll put Vaiguru and then just doze off to sleep. तो वो करते 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 अपने आप मेरी आँख लग जाती है, दोबारा मैं सो जाती हूँ. And because जब आप, when you're going through a divorce or a separation or anything life altering for you, there's so much that happens. And to say, for me, court was like, just before I had moved out of my ex-husband's house, my father-in-law had passed away. And his passing was like was actually what changed my entire life in terms of me moving out. Otherwise, I would not have moved out. So I used to be in the ICU like for the 2-3 days that he was admitted, and it was a very sinking feeling. So when I entered the court for the first time, it was that sinking feeling for me again. I was like, this looks like an ICU,
Yeah.
and my marriage is on ventilator. I just have to pull the plug and it's going to die.
Yeah.
So hospitals and courts are like that, and
Yeah.
just like doctors keep moving, lawyers are moving around. It's normal for them.
Yeah.
But your life is shattering in that moment. So that is something that I felt.
And they discuss everything in the open, which is so weird, right?
Yeah. You will still be involved. You will still have to go there, face him, talk to him. Do you want to do that? I said no. Like, then let it go. Also, before my father-in-law had passed away, so he had requested me in one of those, because he and I used to share a very daughter and father sort of a bond,
Which is very nice.
which was very nice. And he told me one day, he said, "Can I talk to you about something?" I said, "What?" And maybe he had that inkling that he's going to go. I really don't know what happened. He said, "I just have one request. I know my son has really troubled you. I don't see this ending now, but if, God forbid, if this has to end someday, just make sure you keep it very safe for my wife. I don't want my wife to suffer because of my son. He's troubled you enough, but I can't see my wife suffer because of that."
That's very nice.
So he was very, very clear from that day. So when I was there to sort of, I knew that divorce has to happen. I ensured that we do it mutually and just get over with, just go our ways. Don't look back at each other and then just finish it off like that.
And then you flew, and then she's flying, and I think we all have like those days जब थोड़ा सा ऐसे ऐसे चलता है.
Yeah.
But that is life. I mean, उसमें divorce हो या ना हो,
Correct.
life किसके लिए एक straight line रही है. Niharika, I can't tell you, this conversation can go and on and on, which I think we will move to a coffee shop really soon. But I really hope that a lot of people who watched it know कि हम लोग बहुत कुछ देखकर भी अपने लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. Your relationship with Cotton, with Tilori, should get better and rise.
Thank you so
Before I
much.
let you go, any final words for people जो जानते हैं किसी को जिसका डिवोर्स हो रहा है, जो सपोर्ट ग्रुप बन सकते हैं, जो दोस्त हैं, जो पड़ोसी हैं, जो वो रिश्तेदार हैं जिनके पास बहुत सवाल हैं. If you know somebody who's going through divorce, any final words for them today?
In just 2 words, just be kind. You really don't know what the person is going through. And ये चीज़ हमेशा याद रखो कि irrespective of who's right, who's wrong, that doesn't make a difference. When a marriage breaks, even if you're wrong, even if you're right, it's a heartbreak.
Yes.
It's not a good feeling. So if you can't say the right words, don't say anything at all, and just be a little kind, understanding that it's a struggle. It's like losing something very big. You don't say weird things to people who lose their parents. You empathize with them, right? So empathize with the person who has lost a marriage. It is something very big. It may look easy, and you may feel, oh, ठीक है, divorce हो गया, divorce ही है, but नहीं. The struggle that the person has seen is going through is a lot, is way too much, and people don't realize it many a times. And surprisingly, strength comes from the weirdest of places sometimes. You don't expect it, वो आ जाती है तो वो
Yeah.
सब अच्छा रहता है. So just maybe be that strength to somebody.
I think that is it. Just be a kind person in
Correct.
somebody's company. आप कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहे हो और हो, कई बारी वही अपने में एक strength दे देती है कि okay, there is somebody I can just stand with. Niharika, thank you so much for coming on the show. And I know it is not easy अपने बारे में बोलना, अपनी जर्नी वापस revisit करना, तो उसके लिए शुक्रिया. And all the best for Tilori. I really hope and I really pray that Tilori grows and love happens.
Thank you so much, Divya.
Thank you so much for watching this, and feel free to write nice things, write mails, and wait for the next episode. Thank you for watching this.